Yo, what up? It's Dave Mac here, holding it down for the 856 NEW jurors. Yeah, this is where we snatch your purse. But not today. I'm in a pretty fucking good mood today, guys. I'm a bit of a video game nerd, so I decided to look out what games are coming out this month. And normally I wouldn't have fucking done this video. I try to stick to my music, but I'm sorry, give me a second. Alright, no, fuck that. The only reason I'm doing this video is because something caught my eye. Video games, longest running joke in history. Duke Nukem Forever. This fucking game was in development for more than 10 years. So, come on now. Been fucking waiting for it. And, they finally decided, hey, fuck it, why don't we release it? So, I, saw the fucking trailer, and I was like, this looks like a fucking game I would play. Because I used to play the old ones, but, I haven't been able to play too many video games lately. Because today's video games you have to fucking be into them, or you can't, play them at all. It's pretty boring if you can't be into them. But like I said, try to stick to my music, and I stay right, and so, plus I got a little girl I gotta worry about. She's 2 years old, man. But anyway, to my whole Duke Nukem soundboard experiment. Here.
I've got balls of steel.
I just wanted you all to know that
I've got balls of steel.
And I also want you to know,
it's my way, or hell, it's my way.
And I also think that
I like big guns.
And, I know we all like big guns, so I also have to say,
my gun's bigger than yours.
And, my favorite radio station. Hold on.
This is KTIT, K-Tit, playing the best tunes in town.
And
I cannot lie. Damn, I'm good.
Oh, I also forgot to tell you all.
Holy shit. See you in hell.
Bitches. This is Dave Mac, holding it down for the 856. Thank you. Comment, subscribe. Show me some love. Thanks, y'all.